They live their lives in the vast expanse of the ocean, a realm that covers more than 70% of our planet's surface. In these waters, they find food, mates, and the freedom to roam across thousands of miles. The ocean is their home, a place where they can glide effortlessly through the currents, exploring the depths and the shallows alike. Yet they are bound to the land for a crucial part of their existence. Every few years, female sea turtles return to the beaches where they were born to lay their eggs. This journey is fraught with challenges, as they must navigate back to these specific locations, often traveling thousands of miles. The sight of a sea turtle emerging from the waves to lay her eggs is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of life on land and in the sea. Their life cycle is a testament to the power of nature, an incredible journey filled with both beauty and peril. From the moment they hatch, baby sea turtles face numerous threats. They must make a perilous dash to the ocean, avoiding predators and obstacles along the way. Once in the water, they are not safe, as they must contend with the dangers of the open sea, from larger marine predators to the ever-present threat of human activity. An incredible journey filled with both beauty and peril. The ocean is a place of wonder and danger, and sea turtles must navigate its many challenges to survive. They are equipped with remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive in this environment. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers make them efficient swimmers, capable of traveling great distances and diving to impressive depths. These ancient mariners, with their timeless eyes, have witnessed the changing face of our planet. They have seen the rise and fall of civilizations, the shifting of continents, and the ebb and flow of the tides. Their presence in our oceans is a living link to the past, a reminder of the enduring power of nature. They have navigated the world's oceans for millions of years, guided by instincts honed over countless generations. Their migratory patterns are a marvel of nature, as they travel vast distances with unerring precision. Scientists are still uncovering the mysteries of how sea turtles navigate, using the Earth's magnetic fields and other cues to find their way. We are only just beginning to understand the secrets of their extraordinary lives. Through the efforts of marine biologists and conservationists, we are learning more about their behaviors, their habitats, and the challenges they face. Tracking devices and other technologies are providing new insights into their migratory routes and feeding grounds, helping us to protect these incredible creatures. Sea turtles spend the majority of their lives at sea, where they are perfectly adapted to life in the water. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers allow them to move with grace and efficiency, whether they are gliding through the open ocean or navigating the complex terrain of coral reefs. They are perfectly adapted to life in the water, with streamlined bodies and powerful flippers. These adaptations enable them to travel long distances, dive to great depths, and escape from predators. Their ability to hold their breath for extended periods allows them to explore the underwater world in ways that few other creatures can. With streamlined bodies and powerful flippers, they are built for life in the ocean. Their shells provide protection, while their flippers give them the speed and agility needed to navigate their watery world. These adaptations have allowed sea turtles to thrive in a variety of marine environments, from tropical coral reefs to the open ocean. However, the most remarkable part of their story unfolds on land. It is here on sandy beaches that the cycle begins anew. Female sea turtles return to the very beaches where they were born to lay their eggs, continuing the cycle of life. This journey is a testament to the enduring power of nature and the incredible instincts that guide these ancient mariners. It is here, on sandy beaches, that the cycle begins anew. The sight of baby sea turtles emerging from their nests and making their way to the ocean is one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. These tiny creatures, guided by instinct, embark on a journey that will take them across the vast expanse of the ocean, continuing the legacy of their ancestors. Under the cover of darkness, the beach transforms into a stage for one of nature's most ancient rituals. A female sea turtle emerges from the sea, her silhouette illuminated by the moonlight. She is driven by an ancient instinct, a call to create life that has been passed down through generations. Laboriously, she drags herself up the beach, her giant body leaving a trail in the sand. Each movement is a testament to her determination and strength. She chooses a spot above the high tide line, a place where her eggs will be safe from the encroaching waves, and begins to dig. Using her powerful back flippers, she excavates a deep hole. The sand flies in all directions as she works tirelessly. This nest will cradle her precious cargo, the next generation of sea turtles. It is a sanctuary meticulously crafted to protect her offspring. She lays dozens of soft-shelled eggs, the size and shape of ping-pong balls. Each egg represents a new life, a new hope for the future. Then, just as carefully as she dug her nest, she covers it back up with sand. Her flippers move with precision, ensuring the nest is well hidden from predators. Her work is done, and she returns to the sea. The ocean welcomes her back, and she disappears beneath the waves, leaving behind a legacy of life. The moon continues to shine down on the beach, a silent guardian over the hidden nest. The cycle of life continues as it has for millions of years. The tracks in the sand are the only evidence of her visit, soon to be washed away by the tide, but the promise of new life remains, buried beneath the sand, waiting for the right moment to emerge. After several weeks, the eggs begin to hatch. Buried beneath the warm sand, the tiny creatures have been developing, waiting for the perfect moment to break free. The temperature of the sand has played a crucial role in determining their gender, a fascinating aspect of their biology. Tiny turtles, no bigger than your hand, emerge from the sand. They instinctively know that they must reach the ocean, their true home, as quickly as possible. This journey is imprinted in their DNA, a testament to millions of years of evolution. They are incredibly vulnerable at this stage. With soft shells and limited mobility, they are easy targets for a myriad of predators. The odds are stacked against them, with only a small percentage expected to survive this initial dash. Their journey to the sea is a race against time and a gauntlet of danger. Every second counts as they scramble over the sand, driven by an innate sense of urgency. The distance to the water may seem short, but for these tiny creatures, it is a marathon fraught with peril. Crabs, birds, and other predators lie in wait, eager for an easy meal. The beach, which was once a safe incubator, now becomes a battlefield. Each hatchling must navigate this treacherous terrain, relying on their instincts and sheer willpower. The hatchlings must use all their strength and instinct to survive. Every movement is a struggle, every inch gained a victory. The relentless sun beats down on them, adding to their exhaustion, but they push forward, driven by the promise of the ocean. Guided by the moon's reflection on the water, they scramble towards the safety of the open ocean. The moonlight acts as a beacon, leading them to their sanctuary. For those that make it, the vast ocean offers a new set of challenges, but also the hope of survival and growth. Once they reach the water, the young turtles disappear. These are the lost years, a time in their lives we know little about. They are thought to drift with the currents, feeding on small creatures in the open ocean. This is a time of immense growth and development. They face many dangers during this time, from predators to pollution. Those that survive will eventually transition from these lost years to the next stage of their lives. Section 5. Coming of Age in the Open Ocean. As the turtles mature, they transition from the open ocean to more coastal habitats. They become stronger swimmers and more adept at finding food. They develop their unique feeding habits depending on their species. Some, like the green sea turtle, graze on seagrass beds. Others, like the leatherback, develop specialized throat structures to consume jellyfish. This is also the time when they reach sexual maturity, ready to begin the cycle anew. Section 6. A journey back to the beginning. Driven by an ancient instinct, mature sea turtles embark on incredible migrations. They travel thousands of miles across the ocean, guided by the Earth's magnetic field. Their destination? The very same beaches where they were born. This phenomenon, known as natal homing, is one of the natural world's great mysteries. How these animals navigate with such precision across vast distances remains a subject of ongoing research. Section 7. A life lived in slow motion. Sea turtles are long-lived creatures. Some species, like the green sea turtle, can live for over 80 years. They mature slowly, taking decades to reach breeding age. This slow pace of life makes them particularly vulnerable to threats. Every egg that doesn't hatch, every hatchling that doesn't reach the sea, every adult that doesn't reproduce represents a significant loss to the population. This is why their conservation is so critical. Section 8. The shadow of humanity. Despite their resilience, sea turtles face increasing threats, many of them caused by human activities. Pollution, particularly plastic waste, poses a significant danger. Climate change threatens their nesting beaches and disrupts their migratory patterns. Bycatch in fisheries is a major issue, with countless turtles accidentally caught and killed in fishing gear. Habitat destruction and the illegal wildlife trade also take their toll. Section 9. Guardians of the Giants. The future of these ancient mariners hangs in the balance. Their survival depends on our actions. We must reduce pollution, mitigate climate change, and implement sustainable fishing practices. By supporting conservation organizations and making responsible choices, we can all play a part in protecting these magnificent creatures. The time to act is now. The fate of sea turtles, and indeed the health of our oceans, rests in our hands.